Back to school is a busy time of the year for parents who are buying school supplies, they're organizing childcare needs, they're moving older students into dorm rooms, but quite often parents miss a critical piece of prep, and that's planning for the unexpected. Minnelle Williams is the founder of Ending Well with Minnelle and joins us this morning on the couch. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm wonderful, thank you.
So what back to school prep are parents missing out on or not forgetting to do? Or forgetting to do?
Many times we're thinking about, backpacks and who's going to be in whose class and all of that. But I want us to think a little differently about, imagine maybe not the best day and something goes wrong. Do you have the preparation that you need? Do you have the supports for your kids? So let's say you're going to school now, you're getting all of the information you need. Do they have the allergies update? Okay. And maybe we're thinking school, but what about the dojo? Or do people still do piano lessons? Does your piano teacher know the allergies and different updates that you have? Those are the kind of things I want us to think about.
So we should be planning for the unexpected is basically what we're saying.
Exactly.
From a university standpoint, this could mean many different things, right?
A lot of the students that are working right now, they might have, I think it's 27% have benefits through their work. So you want to make sure that either many of us use our benefits, which is great, some people don't. Are your kids still on your benefits? And if they are, do they need the benefits from the school? Money's important. If they can choose not to get those benefits from school since they have them through you, that's great. And if not, take advantage of those because kids, they're going to need braces, somebody might fall. Do you have the funds to cover those costs? And those benefits will actually help.
Great point. What about estate or legal planning? And that's not just for wealthy families, right? This is for everyday people.
Yeah, everybody needs a will. Everybody needs a power of attorney. Especially when we have kids. We need someone to be able to take over for us and speak for us because if anything happens, we fall, you know what's going to happen. The day that we're at home, doing our presentation or something's happening, partner's off, out of the town, that's when a fall is going to happen. That's when something's going to happen and you need someone who will be able to step in for you. Do you have a guardian who can do that? Is there someone easily who can step in without extra stress? The goal is to think about what would happen if I fell and I wasn't able to support my family. I want to think about that now so I'm not rushing to deal with it at the time it happens.
From a timeline perspective, this doesn't have to be done before school starts, right? It's going to take a bit of time too, right?
Absolutely. It's just something I want you to start thinking about. A lot of us think of back to school as a reset. So it's a great time to look at all your documentation and say, is it accurate?
Right. If a parent does become sick or in the hospital, what happens to those guardianship documents?
If you become sick, first of all, for yourself, you need to make sure someone can make medical decisions for you, right? So you need to have your power of attorney and those documents handy, and they need to know not just that they are your power of attorney, but what decisions you want to make. And you need to make sure that someone's there to take care of your kids.
How can parents feel more prepared for back to school? Aside from the supplies, what should be step one in this process?
I think step one is imagine that something happened to you today, meaning just a fall, like something. What are the steps that would happen and what needs to be in place so that you can get the care you need? So just take one example and start there, because I know it can be overwhelming to think about all of this, but start with one.
And this is a good topic to make a to-do list, because there could be several steps to this.
Exactly. Just like your kids, you've got homework.
Oh, no, again. Where can people get more information about this?
Yes, go to my website, so Ending Well with Minnelle, or ewwm.ca, or my social media. So I'm sharing information about this right now, so take what you need and then share it with somebody else as well.
We got 30 seconds. What's the most common question in relation to this topic that you get?
Oh, for the parents normally is, how do I pass my house to my kids? That's their biggest question, right? So it's all about setting up that plan so that they can avoid the taxes and probate as much as possible. But that tends to be the biggest question.
Well, you can get some of the answers. Go to our website, chch.com/morninglive. All of Minnelle's links will be on there. Good morning.